Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Google Drive for desktop and signing into the account that will store the files. Once signed in, grant permissions the installer requests so Drive can access your folders. Now choose the specific PC folder you want to sync and note its full path. This helps avoid mistakes when selecting it in the app. Make sure the account has adequate storage and your internet connection is stable before moving to the setup steps. Once done with installation, open the Drive for desktop icon and go to Preferences, then click Add Folder to pick your PC directory. Choose whether to mirror the folder to Google Drive for offline access or to stream files to save space. Understand Mirror duplicates locally while Stream stores placeholders. Make sure Selective Sync and any bandwidth limits reflect your usage. Adjust upload and download caps to prevent saturating your connection during large transfers. To finish, verify synchronization by comparing files and timestamps in the local folder and on Drive. Google.com, you should see the same items and recent changes. If syncing stalls, restart the Drive app, confirm folder permissions allow access, and relink your account if needed. For persistent issues, inspect the Drive app's error messages for conflicts or quota problems and resolve by renaming or removing locked files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.